Here I've got POCO M3, and let me show you how to activate installation of apps from unknown sources on the following device. So first of all, you need to reach the settings, then find and select privacy protection, and go to special permissions. Here you will notice install unknown apps, and this is the place where you can give permission for some particular application to install another one via this source. For example, let me pick Google Chrome, and now if you would like to allow installation from this source, just mark the switcher. Tap on accept after 5 seconds, and this is the way that you can do it for any app that you would like to give this permission to. You just have to mark it, then wait 5 seconds and read this warning, then accept to confirm the selection. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.